Hi, Amy and Doug here from NC State Plants for Human Health Institute. Today we are here and we are ready to plant some cool season crops. Yesterday, this was a bed full of sweet potatoes and we harvested the sweet potatoes, had a fantastic crop. But now it's time to transition to our cool season crop, which include things like your broccoli, cauliflower. We'll be planting some Brussels sprouts, some kale, some lettuces today. So Doug, what's the first thing we need to do to get started?
Well, once it's cleared like it is already, we're going to add some fertilizer. This is one of many fertilizers you could use, but I'd like to point out 4 things quickly. Organic, we recommend organic at all school gardens. Secondly, one that makes sure it covers vegetables as well. This one does flowers, vegetables, shrubs, etc. On the side panel, it has 3 numbers. 533 is the nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in that order. The nitrogen helps leaves grow and develop. The phosphorus helps roots develop. Potassium, winter hardiness. They each have several things that they do. And on the back panel, you can just read how much that you need to put in your garden. This garden's about 20 square feet, so we'd need to figure out how much it tells us for 20 square feet.
Sounds like a good math lesson to me.
Oh, it's a great math lesson.
All right, well, let's get started. All right, so we have fertilized the bed and we are ready to go. I've got all the tools I need. I have my plant, I have my measuring device because I don't have this bed gridded. I have my square foot planting guide and my trowel. So we are ready to go. Now I'm gonna start with Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts grow pretty tall, so I'm gonna put those towards the back here. And when I look at my square foot spacing guide, I see that Brussels sprouts are 1 per square foot. So we are going to do that 1 per square foot. First thing I'm going to do is take it out of here. I want to make sure I'm not pulling out of that because I don't want that to damage the plant. So I'm going to press with my finger on the bottom and gently take it out of the insert. And as you can see, the roots are growing around in a circle. So I'm going to tickle them a little bit, spread them out so that they will continue to grow like they need to. And here's my method. Put your trowel in, pull it forward, that's 1. Put your transplant in, that's 2. Pull it out, 3. Pull up the soil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of these. 1 here. There we go. Brussels sprouts done. Moving on to kale. Kale on here is 2 per square foot. So I should be able to get 2 in here. I'm using my meter stick here as a guide to let me know where I can start my next square. So here I have, I'm going to get my trowel set up, my transplant out of here, tickle the roots. 1, 2, and 3. One, tickle my roots, 2, and 3. So there I have my kale, and now lettuce. So this lettuce is 4 per square foot. This is kind of a romaine tall heading lettuce, so I can get 4 of these in a square foot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of divide up my square foot so I know where to put them. Down in here, same process. Tickle them a little bit. 1, 2, 3, there. 1, out here. There we go.
Amy, while you're planting, is there anything that should have been done to the plants once they were taken out of the greenhouse prior to planting?
Actually, Doug, yes. Because we're getting ready to change seasons. We're getting into cooler nights, cooler temperatures, and these plants have been grown in this nice warm environment and they need to be hardened off. So all you have to do is take your plants outside, leave them outside to kind of acclimate for a few nights before you put them in your garden. And lastly, I am doing another type of lettuce. This is more of a leafy type of lettuce, so I'm gonna put it right here. And it's also 4 per square foot. Man, I am looking forward to some good crops. This is gonna make some good salad and some good roasted Brussels sprouts. Nice and healthy. I might even convince you, Doug, that you like Brussels sprouts.
I am willing to try.
Okay, there we go. Wow, that looks good.
It
Can't wait
does.
to eat.